billionaires somehow think that they can control everything. And some of their agents have actually said to me in conversation, Curtis, everybody has a price. They really believe that they can buy whatever they want. And I think I've proven to not only my supporters, but also those that are not going to vote for me, because they all should have an opportunity to pick the next mayor. The Curtis Sliwa cannot be bought. I can't be sold. And if the people of New York City will be good enough to make me the mayor, I will put a sign on City Hall, not for sale. Because under Eric Adams, everything was for sale. If the price was right, as you saw it, Eric Adams was one and done. Timothy Pearson, Phil Banks, Winnie Greco, Ingrid Lewis-Martin, obviously the Caban brothers, and the worst of all, Jeffrey Madry. Proof positive. You must set the example. It's do as I say and not as I do. And then I think it'll filter down into every agency and even into the city council. If, God forbid, Zohran Mamdani was the choice of the people, and we will live it up to them, is I will organize resistance, because I will improve, I will not move. Zohran Mamdani could bet that I will be his worst nightmare, because unlike Andrew Cuomo with his billionaire friends in the Hamptons who said, oh, if Zohran's elected, I'm fleeing to Florida. I'm not going anywhere. I was born in New York. They tried to kill me in New York. I'll die in New York. I'll be buried in New York. And if somehow Zohran Mamdani is elected by the people, boy, he is going to regret ever knowing the name of Curtis Sliwa, because I'm going to be on his case 24 hours a day when he's being Pinocchio. Because I got to tell you, oftentimes Zohran Mamdani is Pinocchio. It's not like his nose grows. His smile just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's how you know that Zohran Mamdani is telling another lie, another whopper, fantasy rather than reality.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.